In this video, I'm going to be showing you the exact affiliate marketing strategy that I used to make $711 in one day with ClickBank and Microsoft advertising. So before I get into the presentation, I know everyone likes to see proof. So let me log into my test volume account. Here is the campaign. I'm going to have it blurred out because I'm still sending traffic to this campaign. So these are the stats for yesterday, and that was November 14th. 470 visits, 470 people clicked on my ad, landed on my landing page, and then clicked on the call to action button to go to the offer page. That is a 50% or 53% click-through rate. Total conversions was 6. There was 3 upfront conversions and then 3 upsells for total conversions of 6, and then $711.54. And let me log into my ClickBank account. This is an account that I set up just for the training purposes. These are the first sales on this account. But as you can see, 711.54, and you might be thinking, like, Cody, you said it was in one day. Why is it showing 2 days? Well, this first sale of 315.86 came in on Sunday at 1 a.m. and for some reason it counted that sale for Saturday on my ClickBank account. But when I come into my volume tracking account and I click on chart, you can see that for yesterday, that sale of 315.86 came in at 1 a.m. and then we got more sales later on around 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. Our clicks really took off last night, and that was Sunday night. So yeah, that's why it shows 711 for yesterday, which is Sunday, because that one early one just reported for Saturday. Anyways, the best part about all of this is that I've been setting up my updated advanced Microsoft advertising training course, and I decided to base the whole training along a case study to show you guys exactly how I make my ads, how I make my landing pages, all the strategies that I use. This was the campaign that I decided to use for that case study, and this is what it looks like inside my updated Microsoft Ads training. So I picked that offer, and then that was my third day running it. Yesterday was my third day running it, and I spent $214 to get 425 clicks. Look at the average cost per click. This is 51 cents. And I'm going to give you guys a hint right now. This is in the weight loss niche. So getting 51-cent clicks to weight loss offers is really, really good. And that's super easy to make a campaign profitable if you're getting cheap targeted clicks for 51 cents. So just a little quick math to get the ROI for this campaign. So it was 711 and I spent 214. So I made $497 in profit, and if you divide that by the spend, that gives you the ROI. So it's and then times it by 100. So it's a 232% ROI. And guys, that is freaking awesome, especially because I showed you guys in the training, like step by step, how I did this. But in this video, I'm going to show you the basics of how you guys can start running campaigns like this and making money online with affiliate marketing. So with that being said, let's hop into it. So step number 1, simple, pick an affiliate offer. And for this campaign, I chose a ClickBank offer. So for those of you who aren't signed up for ClickBank, it is 100% free. All you got to do is go to clickbank.com, click on sign up, and then it's 100% free like it says right there. And it takes literally 2 minutes. You can create a free account. Once you create your free account, then you can go to Marketplace and browse offers by popularity. So once you log in, your back office will look like this. This is mine for the test account, like I showed you earlier. So what I would do is just come and click on Marketplace, and then to sort by popularity, just click that search button right there. Once that loads up, you can go through all the products and find one that you like. Let's look at Java Burn, for example. One thing you can do is just click on it. You know, you can watch the VSL and just get a good idea on if you think that it could convert. One of the sayings that I like to go by is that you won't know if it works unless you test it. And I know a lot of people have theories like, oh, only promote products with gravity of this, that. No, the best thing you can do ever is just test the product, let the data speak for itself, and then find out if that campaign can be profitable. So that's Marketplace. And I already said this, but I'll just say it again. Hint, this campaign was in the weight loss niche. It is a The weight loss niche is great to use when you're sending Microsoft Ads traffic. And then you can check out the affiliate page to get ideas for ad copy. So an example of this is Okinawa Tonic. Like these Facebook headlines, you can get ideas from this and use that later on down the road when you're creating your ads on Microsoft. A lot of this has to do with you just putting in the time and doing research. So that was step 1, to pick an affiliate offer, and for this example. Now step number 2, you can spy on other affiliate marketers to get ideas on what is working. So method number 1 is free manual spying. To do this, you can just come right to bing.com and type in weight loss, like weight loss programs, weight loss tropical, how to lose weight fast, belly fat fast, weird exotic loophole. Let's check that one out. Tropical loophole dissolves fat overnight. This one is promoting Exipure, and it looks like they're using BMob tracking. So that is how simple it is to just go and manual spy and find what is being run on Bing search. And that is the totally free way. And method number 2, this is how I do it. I go to Adplexity. So here we are in Adplexity. This is actually a native advertising spy tool, but I've been using a lot of landing pages that native ads media buyers are using because they really have their landing pages dialed in. I will have a 30% off link to Adplexity in the description below. Again, if you're on a budget, this is 100% optional. Free spying works great as well. So I'm going to go to Buy Advertiser. And while that's loading, I'm going to come and grab this link, javaburn.com. Sorry, that was taking a while to load. So once I get into Adplexity, I click on Buy Advertiser, click all of the above, and I paste in the root domain for the affiliate product that I want to promote, and then I click on search. And then right away you'll see all these ads. This is good for 2 reasons, because native advertisers have to come up with super catchy headlines and super catchy images. Well, the images doesn't matter, but the catchy headlines like shocking new 10-second coffee tweak burns body fat like crazy. So then you can just start taking notes for good ideas like 10-second coffee hack. Like that could be the title of our search ad. Coffee to make you leaner, like it says over here, or slimmer. Maybe ask a question for the ad title. You know what I'm saying? Like just go through and whatever catches your eye, just take notes on it. So let's say that I really like this ad. I'll click into it, and then I can just come and click on their landing. So this is their landing page. So their headline is one of the main things to look at when you're spying. Does sipping this coffee effortlessly boost your metabolism? Watch. And then there's a picture of that, and then a watch now button. That is their landing page. That's a decent one, something to test out. That is how I use paid spying with Adplexity. It's on the more expensive side of spy tools. Totally optional. I just like to do it. Step 3. Now you can create your landing page. So I use Landerbolt, and I am also a Landerbolt promoter. So basically in the description below I'll have a little deal where if you sign up to Landerbolt through my personal referral link, I will give you a free template that you can use and start sending traffic to. And I'll show you what the template looks like right in here. I'll go to settings, and this is what Landerbolt looks like. It's super simple to use. So this is the default template that I have for you guys. And let's say you found a landing page that you really want to use. You can copy the headline and then you can make little tweaks to it. So instead of sipping this coffee, we could do does adding this strange powder to your coffee grounds effortlessly boost, I cannot speak today. Effortlessly boost your metabolism. Watch video. So that would be a good headline to test. I know I'm kind of flying through this, but I don't want to make this video too long. And then you could even come and open their image in a new tab and save that, and you could upload that to Landerbolt. In the description below, if you do sign up for Landerbolt, you will also get exclusive free training. I show you how to edit these landing pages and make them look super professional. And remember, the goal is to get a really high click-through rate on your landing pages and these types of landing pages work really well, especially for native ads, but I'm starting to see that they work really good for Bing ads as well. So that is how I create a landing page. And if you don't want to spend money on landing page software, you can direct link to offers using Microsoft Ads traffic. And I will have a link up there to show you a Microsoft Ads direct linking case study. Super helpful stuff. Step 4, create your tracking link. So I use volume for my tracking links. This is going to be too long to put in this short video, but I do have a playlist on my YouTube channel for free. I'll have that up there as well. That'll show you a bunch of how-to videos on how to get started, adding your landing page into volume, connecting with ClickBank, or adding a ClickBank offer into volume, etc. It's kind of time consuming, so I'm not going to cover that in this video. But that is step number 4. Step number 5, this is the last step. Now you get to start doing the fun stuff, sending traffic to your landing page. And then once you start sending this traffic, you're going to be reading the volume statistics, and you're going to be making data-driven decisions and optimizing your campaign. Now I will show you a basic walkthrough of how to set up a campaign on Microsoft Advertising. So I'm going to click on Create Campaign, visits to my website, and then Search Ads, Next. So I would name this Java Burn LP. If I were running a direct link campaign, I would label it DL. So individual budget, I like to start out at $100 a day. I like to get the data in fast because time is money in my mind, and the faster I can get the data in, the faster I can either kill campaigns or start scaling them. Locations, I always like to start out, well, not always, but most of the time I like to start out with top tier. And there's 6 countries that I target for this. And I used to just do US for all of my campaigns, but I started to realize that I have to let the data talk for itself and target these 6 countries, because sometimes, like for example, Canada will outperform the US on certain offers. And that's something I would have never known unless I targeted all the other countries and tested it out. Alright, so those are the 6 I like to target, and I make sure to check off the second one. We only want people in our targeted locations to see our ads. Leave it at English. Don't show a disclaimer, and I don't do dynamic search ads. You guys definitely can if you want. So for the ad group name, for this example, I'll just show you what I do for my broad ad group. Broad weight loss, that's how I would label it. And basically what I do is just come over to this. They have a little Bing keyword planner like right in here for the ad group creation. So I type in relevant keywords, weight loss. So I could do this. I'm going to click on the +17, add to broad weight loss, and then I could even come down here for lose stomach weight, lose weight now, lose weight. I could add all these, 318. Just go through and do your own research. There are other ways to create ad groups, but that's it. That's it for another video, or I do go in depth on this in my training. So I'm going to leave it at 1 ad group for broad weight loss, and leaving all these on broad match really casts a wide net for a bunch of potential search terms, and then we can use that data to find out what's working the best, and then focus in on those types of keywords. And that's how you optimize. So we got that. Now I'll go save and go to next step, and now we can create our ad. So for the final URL, you would type in your landing page, but first I like expanded text ads. You can do responsive search ads if you want, I just don't. So for title part 1, we could ask like a question. Lose weight. I think that would be a good question to ask. I think if people see that when they're typing in related search terms, like how can I lose weight fast, and then this ad comes up that coffee that helps you lose weight, I think a lot of people would click that. Watch video here. Alrighty. This 10-second coffee hack is... I can just leave it at click here to watch the video. A nice call to action at the end. You can add a path like coffee hack. So I click this off, and then if you guys do watch my volume tutorials, I show you in those free volume tutorials that you paste in your tracking your tracking link template here, and then you're good to go. And that's how you track the statistics. So I'm going to click save. And one thing you can do is copy the ad right away and then make that slight variation. 10-second coffee hack burns fat. Oh, I missed it by 1 letter. What if I did 5-second coffee hack burns fat? I might not want to do this. I'd watch the VSL before running anything, because in the VSL it might actually say 10-second coffee hack, so I wouldn't want to say 5 and then 10 on the VSL. But that's just an example of split testing 2 ads. It took 5 seconds. Don't be lazy. Split testing ads is super important. So then these are ad extensions. They're optional. Action extensions are also optional. And then all these other types of extensions. So you can learn more by just clicking the question mark. I usually just do callout extensions, action extensions, and then site link extensions. Those are the 3 main ones that I use. So save and go to next step. Bid strategy, I've been keeping it at enhanced cost per click, and since this is a broad ad group, I'd be okay with bidding like 45 cents. Campaign targets. Devices, I like to leave everything at as is. Advanced campaign settings. If I'm running like just in the USA, I like to run from 8 a.m. all the way till midnight. But if I'm running worldwide, I just leave it as is. And then you got other settings like audience ads, multimedia ads, and then ad distribution. So then if you're all done, then you click save. And then Microsoft just does a policy review of your ads to make sure that you are staying compliant. And that's one thing, you don't want to make exaggerated claims like lose 30 pounds in 2 hours or something like that. Like that could get your ad disapproved. So I'm going to click on got it. So that was it for this video. So in this video I showed you how to pick an offer, how to spy on other affiliate marketers, free versus paid spying, how to create a landing page, free template in the description below, creating your tracking link. I couldn't cover this, but I do have free tutorials, and that will be down below in the description. And then step 5, send traffic to landing page using Microsoft advertising. And that was how I was able to generate $711 in 1 day. If you enjoyed the video, I would very much appreciate it if you would drop a like. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, smack that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. And I will see you guys in the next one.